Hi everyone, my name is Shomar Mehrotra and welcome to the market analysis video for 25th November 2021. Now कल monthly expiry है and we know कि monthly expiry का premium ज़्यादा टिके होगा because there are many person जो अपनी positions को काटेंगे और there will be many person जो अपनी positions को काटेंगे and जब भी ये होगा या तो call side या तो put side तो there are certainties के मार्केट में एक अनसर्टेन मूव आए. ओके, नाउ वी आर पर्संस जो हम एक प्राइस एक्शन मेथड पे बिलीव करते हैं एंड हम जैसे कैंडलस्टिक हमें एक चीज बताती है हम उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपनी पोजीशंस बनाते हैं. ओके, सो राइट नाउ इफ वी सी कि मार्केट में एक फॉल आया था एंड आफ्टर दैट एक रिट्रेसमेंट आया फ्रॉम ए टू बी एंड नाउ अगेन फ्रॉम बी टू सी मार्केट में फिर से फॉल आया. सो नाउ अगर हम इसकी वेव की लेंथ चेक करें, this is approximately 985 points, 985.45 to be more clear, and from here B to C it is also at 985 points. that means market में जो एक correction आना था अभी तक के लिए वो आ चुकी है. but if we see here this area, so market was in sideways in this zone. If I see the date, so it was from 6 September to 14 September. तो basically more than a week के लिए market sideways था, range bound था. So we can expect के market कल भी range bound हो सकता है. But right now global markets negative है and if जब भी global markets negative होती हैं तो there are chances कि हमारी Indian market gap down खुलेगी. So if अगर Indian market gap down खुल के 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे इस लेवल को ब्रेक करती है 17,248 को, then we would short and also we would take our targets up till here at 1770. okay, but coming on 15 minute time frame, okay, so right here market was taking resistance from this area and when it gave a breakout it took a retest and after that it went again high. okay, but आज market ने gap down दिया, आज market ने break down दिया and after that market went down. अब ये हमें भी पता है. but अगर कल market इस level को breakout करती है, that is at 17,500, then we would go long and our first target would be at 17,591, approximately 91 points का target. If it is breaking this area 17,500 level, okay, and if it is breaking 17,240 level, we would short and take our targets up to 17,070. okay, now coming on JSW Steel. So first of all, JSW Steel is taking support from this lower line, this yellow line. okay, and also it has its support at 680.15. so if there is a morning star pattern right here, then we would go long and our first target would be at 688 and the second target would be at 689.20. and if it is giving a breakout from this level 2, then we would go further and our further target should be at around 694. okay, but if market is giving, if JSW Steel is giving a breakdown, that is it is giving a breakdown from the levels of around 680, then we would short and we would take our targets according to Fibonacci points. okay, coming on LT, Larsen and Tubro. So first of all, coming on 1 hour time frame. okay, so market resistance from this area, that is at 1897 level, and it is taking support from this area, that is at 1840 to be more approximate. Market is taking support from this area. So if there is a bullish candle right here on this support area, we would go long and our first target would be at 1889.70 or 1890. okay, I'm on 15 minute time frame. So right here, if you can see this area, this pattern, so this is a morning star pattern kind of pattern, and if similar pattern is formed tomorrow, so it would be a point of conviction कि जो चीज पहले मार्केट में हो चुकी है, the chances that मार्केट में वो दोबारा हो सके इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में. so if मार्केट अगर यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेती है from here, फर्स्ट सपोर्ट हमारा ये है, ये एक जोन है देखो. so it is a zone from 1838 till 1845 or 1846. Okay, so if it is taking support from this zone and it is making a green bullish candle, we would go long, and the first target, as said, it would be around here, 1890. If there is a morning star kind of pattern here, then we would go long. Okay, now this was an analysis for tomorrow, and kal expiry, to be more careful while making your positions, and also follow risk management.